Good morning, everyone. Frigomat today will present a model of machines belonging to the sector of batch freezers for premium gelato. Innovative, utterly more modern than any competitor appliance.
Qualsiasi apparecchio della concorrenza.
After 3 generations of Titan automatic batch freezers, the addition of the LCD range and the evolution of the twin combined machines, Frigomat is pleased and above all proud to present the brand new Twist, a line consisting of several versions in different sizes that's the first in the world to be equipped with an automatic washing system. Using the technology of the most advanced washing systems, the gelato maker can forgo the normal procedures, times, efforts, and possible errors of manual washing and reassembling. The washing programs provided in these models are the simpler one, the rings, water-based rings, generally used moving from one flavor to the other, or the fruit rings, rings dedicated to fruit flavors that tend to generate more foam than other products. The third level, more challenging, is the Fruit Plus Seed rings, which is the rings for fruit flavors that incorporate seeds or fiber and are therefore more demanding than any other rings, as there are solid parts to remove. The semi-intensive washing that includes the heating of the washing water to 40 degrees. Such heating is entrusted to the machine itself and is therefore automatically managed by the washing process. The intensive involves the same procedure with warmer water, 60 degrees, which allows you to remove all the residues related to the fatty and solid parts in the mixture. Finally, and we rightly put it at the end, is the sanitation process. This is generally used at the end of the working day or at the end of the process and involves both the so-called chip cleaning, cleaning in place or cleaning in process, and the subsequent ideal sanitation for the elimination of the bacterial load called SIP, sanitation in place. The loading and unloading of the various washing waters, as in potable and clean waters that enter and that discharge of dirty waters, which carry all the washing products with them, are completely automatic. A specific connection differentiates the clean water used for these washes from the water used by the refrigeration system of the freezing part, meaning the cold sector, which can be, if managed in defer mode, whether technical water, so recirculation water, or water from the chiller. The Twist production system allows the use of different programs. In this case, we are talking about the batch freezing sector. The automatic freezing cycle, which is the cycle generally most used for any batch freezer machine, automatically identifies the optimal level of gelato consistency that must be achieved in relation to the type of product and the quantity itself. Each load corresponds to a different time and value. Actually, because the load specifications are different. Therefore, vanilla needs to be whipped differently from lemon or hazelnut. So the automatic one is in itself the most important program. In the event that the operator needs different values compared to what can be identified as the optimal consistency, the machine proposes the automatic cycle called Plus, which automatically allows reaching higher consistency values. 2 other semi-automatic freezing programs allow you to manually choose values. Therefore, the semi-automatic, although functioning after the settings as an automatic program, actually requires the insertion of values that may concern the consistency.
che può essere di consistenza, quindi di durezza
therefore,
del
or product
prodotto,
hardness,
o di
or
tempo
the
di
processing
lavorazione,
time,
come era
as was needed
caratteristica delle
for
macchine
traditional
di qualche
machines.
decennio fa.
Then
Successivamente
we have a
abbiamo
recipe
un
menu
menu ricette, il quale
that allows
permette
you
di
to
personalizzare
customize
ogni
every
singolo
single flavor
gusto
and
e
every
ogni
single
singola
quantity
quantità
in
a
relation
quello
to
che è il
what is the
desiderio
desire
del
of the
gelatiero.
gelato maker.
In sostanza,
Basically, each
viene
freezing
denominato in
method
ricetta
is combined
in relazione
with a
a un
specific
gusto
flavor.
specifico. La macchina
The machine
prevede anche una
also provides
funzione
a
agitazione
turbo
turbo
stirring function,
che permette
which
di
lets you
ottenere,
to
per quelle
obtain
miscele
for
che lo
those
consentono,
mixtures that allow it
un
a
elevato
high
aumento di
increase in the
volume del
volume
prodotto
of the
finito,
finished product,
denominato
called
overrun.
overrun.
E inoltre
It is also
possibile
possible
ottenere
to obtain
durante
cold
l'estrazione,
during the extraction,
idealmente per le
ideally
grandi
for large
quantità,
quantities,
il freddo
during the
durante
high speed of
l'alta
ejection
velocità di
of the
espulsione del
finished
prodotto finito.
product.
Questo
This helps the
agevola
operator to
l'operatore
obtain a more
per
solid
ottenere
product
alla fine
at the
dell'ultima
end of
vaschetta
the
un
last
prodotto
pan.
più solido.
Obviously, on this
Ovviamente,
fully
su questa
automatic
macchina
machine,
completamente automatica, è
the
sempre
maintenance
attivo
of the
il
optimum
programma
consistency program
di
is
mantenimento
always
della
active
consistenza
during the
ottimale durante il
pause
ciclo
cycle,
di pausa, vale a
i.e.
dire,
after the beep
dopo la
that the
chiamata
machine
che la
makes
macchina
when the
effettua
optimal
al
consistency
raggiungimento
is
della
reached.
consistenza ottimale, se l'operatore
If the
non
operator is
fosse
not immediately available for the extraction,
immediatamente
the
disponibile
machine
all'estrazione,
automatically maintains the
l'apparecchio in
consistency of the
automatico
product
conserva
at the
la
previously
consistenza
reached
del prodotto
value.
al valore raggiunto in precedenza, quindi
Then
l'obiettivo
the achieved
raggiunto viene
goal
mantenuto
is
per
kept
un tempo
indefinitely.
indefinito. Aspetti costruttivi
The main
principali di
constructive
questo
features of this machine,
oltre a
in
una
addition to
struttura,
a
una
very
linea
modern
molto
and
moderna
ergonomic structure and
ed
line,
ergonomica,
are
sono il cilindro di
a
mantecazione
batch cycle
realizzato con le
made with the
migliori e più moderne
best and most
tecnologie,
modern
vale a dire
technologies, namely
l'estrazione diretta,
direct
non
expansion,
prevede
which does not require
nessun altro
anything else
materiale
around the batch cycle,
al cilindro
if
di
not the
mantecazione,
batch
se non al
cycle
cilindro di
itself.
mantecazione stesso. Questo
This reduces
riduce i tempi di
cooling times
raffreddamento e
and
aumenta
increases the
l'efficienza
thermal
termica.
efficiencies.
Il touchscreen
The 7 inches capacitive touchscreen,
un menu
a really
notturno
intuitive
molto
icon
intuitivo
menu patented by Frigomat,
proprietà Frigomat, che
which allows the
permette
operator to
all'operatore di
identify the
individuare
work
i programmi
programs
di lavoro senza
without necessarily having to
necessariamente
know the manuals by
una
heart.
memorizzazione precisa di quello che è la manualistica.
Therefore, it is essentially a human-friendly machine.